There's a bunny that the birds are trying to attack. There on the left is the bunny. Over there. Or maybe he ran for cover. There's the bunny. He stays on the ground. Big birds were after a big bunny, but he was holding his own. Did he get hurt?
What'd you say?
Did the bunny get hurt? He's chasing.
I don't think so.
He's chasing the birds.
He probably thinks they don't need to be there. I think they've got him scared. I think the bunny's got him scared away.
Yeah.